This is a do-it-yourself guide to smooth generator operation. Tips on checking the oil. Brought to you by PowerPro Service Company, an authorized Generac dealer. When the power goes off, your Generac standby electrical system will automatically go on and stay on until the power returns. But your air-cooled Generac system needs to be checked every 24 hours of constant operation. Motor oil is critical to the smooth operation and long life of your Generac generator. After 24 hours of continuous use, follow these suggested steps to check your oil. Even though there is a power failure, it is best to turn off the main breaker in your house before checking the oil.
In order to check your generator's oil level, the first thing you need to do is open the lid. There's a key on both sides. Turn the key, open the lid. Locate your main circuit breaker that's located on either the outside or the top of your generator control panel and switch it to off. The next step is to place your generator from the auto mode into the off position. After you turn the generator off and allow it to cool down for a few minutes, the next step is to locate the dipstick, which is normally on the left side of the engine. After you have allowed the generator to cool down, remove the dipstick, wipe it off with a clean rag, put it back in, pull it out, and check the oil level. It should be between the add and full mark. This generator is brand new, so the oil is clean and hard to see. As your generator's oil has more hours on it, it'll become darker in color and easier to see. As the oil level goes down to the add line, add oil until it reaches the full mark. If you need to add oil, you need to remove the generator's front door. In order to do so, lift up on the door, tilt back, and pull out of the way. To add oil, locate the oil fill cap, twist, and remove. With Generac full synthetic motor oil SA 5W30. If you do not have Generac branded oil, any full synthetic 5W30 oil will work. You need to add the oil right where you moved the fill cap prior. After you've added a little bit of oil, make sure to recheck by pulling out the dipstick, wiping clean, put back in, and make sure you're between the add and full mark. Make sure not to overfill. If it's full, take the cap, put it back on. In order to put the door back on, locate the two pins on the bottom of the door, slide them into the appropriate hole, lean forwards, tilt up, and push down. Now your door is secure. Next, you need to restart the generator. Take the generator from the off position and place it back into the auto position. The control panel will go through a timer, and in about 10 seconds the generator will start and run. Allow the generator to come up to speed, and then place the mainline circuit breaker from the off position back into the on position. Power has now been restored to your home. Now that your generator is running and powering your home, be sure to close the lid, and if you choose, lock the generator by turning the latch with the key on both sides of the unit. Now that your generator is powering your house, be sure you remember to turn back on your main home circuit breaker, so when the power comes back, your generator turns off. If your generator continues to run, be sure to check your oil again in no more than 24 hours.
This video has been brought to you by PowerPro Service Company, an authorized Generac dealer. Please consult your owner's manual. Procedures slightly vary among different Generac models. For more information, call us at 631-567-2700.